So why don't you look happy to see me? Come on, Junior. I miss you. Please, let us talk. I can't live without you.
Are you done now, Diana? You swear you could be an actress, the wheel of pretend. What are you even doing here?
I heard you're renting out the condo. Does that mean you're gonna buy a house then?
Diana, my business is not yours. Go on to your yard, okay?
I can't believe you're treating me so bad. I thought we had something special. I love you, Junior.
Well, me I love you. Later.
Adib, she's very beautiful. Even beautiful in person.
I'll go upstairs, I'll find something to do because I am literally bored out of my mind right now. Then we'll have to stop talk for no, trust me, especially she. We shall lose praise our perfect little heart deep that she loves so much for finding a beautiful woman tomorrow.
Alright, no problem. Let's go then.
Someone finally bought that house. One weird family who couldn't come from foreign. Why did you want to buy it? You don't have to worry about no house or anything. Because trust me, Mommy and Daddy is gonna buy her deep in my own place. Well, you don't get the priests them downstairs. The favorite child.
Come get my woman. Where I keep her captive in here for. Right about my sister, she can be a real bitch sometimes. Swear, she'll just come me and Daddy house I give me more.
Oh, so that means you really is the favorite child.
More hardworking than her. I know she always been jealous of me, but you know, simple sibling rivalry type of thing. Very shaggy to white man. She always do.
Must be nice to be the favorite child. I honestly do not know what that feel like because I'm nobody's favorite. But yeah, I'm alright. Auntie, we're still going with our antics. I can't believe it. Junior.
Oh, you just say a while ago.
No, man, it's something. Don't worry about nothing, okay? I love you.
Love you too, baby.
The old awful bungle dog, man. Stop, follow me now. Move. Go on, one. I'm a throw. No, me throw 2 big stone there, you know. Go on, one. Go on. What's say come near me off my box for my left on the freaking side on the road. You open up and leave it. Hey, dog, one a yard, you know, from kick you. I've never known say foreign people can't fix things. How you do they? Oh, this sound like a beat, so. Keep on banging, man. Bang it.
Tony, what the hell are you doing? You know you could help me fix this thing, right?
You still have the rhythm in my head. Yeah, man. So.
What the hell? Whose dog is that?
So old mongrel dog will keep on following me away. You know, setting them off my back foot, me that sit on the side of the road and the old dog name off my back foot. So I'm still vexed.
He's really cute.
She might kiss up the old dog. Yeah, dog lover. I'd come and tell you about the foreign people, you know, they're just weird.
Well, look at him. He's so cute. Hey, cutie boy. You're so cute. You're so cute.
For the money I want to, and it's a man dog, you're a fish, don't you? No, you're a fish, man. One time. That's why you're not no man. Man, me neck hurt me. Lock a front. It a me neck hurt me. We need for head out. Left the whole mongrel dog alone now. Or we all have me and John ticks and all sitting there.
Can you believe he broke up with me over a girl who's engaged to someone else? I think he's lost his mind. Like, how could he do this to me? I am so pissed off. He won't even talk to me. And he rented out the condo after he said he wouldn't.
Diana, wasn't it quite obvious that he was gonna marry you? I mean, let's be for real. You were a booty call.
Excuse me? Me and him have been going out for a while. I was no booty call. It's that bitch's fault, Diana. I should go to Jamaica and smack her.
Oh, please, Diana, you can't fight. How about this? I have a guy for you. He's really cute.
The only guys you want me to hook up with are old men. Gross. I'm not talking to no old man.
Well, the younger they are, the more likely they'll cheat on you.
I don't care. I'm gonna get him back.
Wait, why am I coming with you to visit your girlfriend?
Say, dog, you lock up in the house too much. That's why I'm gonna bring you with me. Something nice. She's sexiness. Patricia. Sorry, me take so long. Laid up on the road with a friend. This is Oliver, going from Canada.
Well, come now. My mother soon come home now. She got Bible classes.
Your mother's on a Bible classes. I've shut his foot down the whole neighborhood. She think that I will help her. Come and come kiss me. From women I see.
You for come visit me more often.
You know say mwah, mwah. You know say mwah. Man lick them can move so mwah. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
No brusheti day, but kind of.
Can I load me away from to my friend?
I don't think this is a good idea. You're Tony's girl, right?
It doesn't mind, man. Yo, man, kiss the girl, man. Wait till me bring you for. And then me bring you for just stay up on the two-way. Kiss the girl.
Tony, I think your friend is shy. I don't think he want to do this.
Tony, can I talk to you? Oh shit, sorry.
Man, girl, go there. Cock it up, cock it up, cock it up, yeah. Back it up, back it up, back it up, Bob. Tell you now, you Oliver, yeah, you gotta live life when you hang out with me, dog.
F minus, E plus, F. Only finally here. Class, everybody. These are our two new students. This is Damien and Diamond. I hope you can make them feel at home. You know they're not doing a really good job with Oliver, but anyways, please, want to find a seat.
Watch ya, two dopey walking my class. I wouldn't find them too dung yourself.
Star, that's really fucked up, you know. Why you always have to sit stuff?
Is this a lie? Look upon them, look at them way that goes.
I don't know why you brought me to that girl's house to do all that for. Are you crazy?
Oh, crazy. But I say, we're going to get a batch the girl I am like in this. A new boy that white boy or white like no, sir. Have you seen him off the bleach?
He's albino. That's why he's like that.
See, my twin sister. She look just like him. You see, I never sleep with a albino girl before. How do it feel?
Hi, my name's Oliver. What are you reading? I like reading books too. If you're anything that ever started putting them in this school, I don't you even understand what I'm reading. Can you please leave me alone? I'm busy.
Damien, why you always have to be so rude to everybody? He was just asking you a question.
Oh, hi. You're his sister, right? My name's Oliver. Nice to meet you.
I mean him Tony. Girl them like ride me like a pony. Boy, you're pretty man like a porcelain doll.
Thanks, but I'm not interested. So, what wanna do for fun around here?
Diamond, don't interact with them. They'll never leave. I think one of them has something for you. Even though he looks like a degenerate.
Son, me a dare one. Cause me take for forward am house and you know want come. What is it, Shauna? Yeah, scan me.
No, because I know why you want me to come to your house. And I told you already, I'm not sleeping with you.
Who you want sleep with it? That Canadian boy there? See him one way I run up and down and follow behind name coats like some old
Wow, you're so insecure. Who told you that? I mean, why does it even matter what he does? Oshin, you're more concerned about him than me. Get over it.
Maybe not that stand right here, so make you disrespect me, no. Cause I ain't 98 much agree on the square want me. You'll come even and talk to you.
Fine, then go be with them then. I don't care. Please.
Sorry, I never see you. Sorry, fit, bump.
No, I'm my fault. Maybe what I was watch you spot me, go. Wait, you name Marsha, right? You may have a CM class. Maths class.
Yeah, sit on behind you, right next to me. You know my best friend. Yo, Ocean, why is that creature talking to you? Hey, Coca-Cola girl, why you talk to a friend, man? What give you the audacity?
Oh, Star, Bill no man, what are this for? So if she talk to me, if the Shauna not own me, mind your own business, man, and talk to the girls. So. No way you are so concerned about Shauna. Me ain't never freak last week, so I be a hypocrite, man.
Excuse me, you know say you chat too much, but the hell you yell at for? You say Shauna again none. So the hell you move like a me alone do it. We do it together.
Yo, oh no, that's fucking up.
Hey boy, you hungry? Huh? You want something to eat? That's a good boy. Good boy, good boy. Don't worry, I'll get you something to eat.
Aww, what a cute puppy. Oliver, where you find him? He's so cute.
Oh, Tony found him. Can I keep him, please? I promise I'll look after him. And I'll buy him food and everything. I promise.
Yeah, man, it's cool. And plus, you're always there by yourself, so someone know you get lonely at times. But make sure you clean up after him, you know. I want him shut up the yard clean.
Yeah, okay, no problem. I'll do all of that. Plus, Dad sent me some money, so I'm gonna go to the supermarket and get him some dog food. Thanks so much, Diane. I really appreciate this.
No problem. You might want to buy some ton calm meal too and cook it up with some chicken back. Dog food really expensive down here. Trust me. Anyways, I had a long day. I'm gonna go take a shower, alright? Oh, look at this face. He is so cute. So cute.
What the fuck? Yo, where you at, yeah? What the hell you know, spot? Diana, Diana, you really find out which spot I live? You're that tormented that you start?
I just want to talk. I don't understand how you could cut me off. Just like that. I thought we had something special, Junior. How could you do this?
Tell you already say it's nothing personal. I'm just not in love with you, okay? You need to leave things alone.
Well, can we just be friends then? Because I can't live without you, Junior, so I wouldn't mind just being your friend.
Did your girlfriend leave already? She seems like a really nice girl.
She's not my girlfriend.
I knew it. I told you, Mom. Junior does not gonna date that fake Kardashian.
Antavia, that's not nice.
Mom, no offense. You have horrible taste.
Oh, me have horrible taste. That's a very pretty girl. I don't see nothing wrong with her.
Mom, she's fake as hell. Besides, Diana's way prettier than her. Right, Junior?
Well, Diana's your sister and Junior's stepsister. Why are you talking all this nonsense here, little girl?
So who cares?
I care. I don't want your brother and sister to get married. Why are you even talking this nonsense to me, little girl? Please.
If they have kids together, I'm gonna be a double auntie. A double auntie.
Well, that's not gonna happen because they're step-siblings. And stop talking foolishness around the dinner table, little girl. You're getting on my nerves. I don't understand why you want your siblings them to go together. Don't you find it a little bit odd if your siblings them start date? Come on, Antavia. It look like you forget, sir. Me and you supposed to be doing art.
Hold on. I forgot where I put the... Hold on. Give me a sec.
This is Anthony, right? Famous Anthony. I heard a lot about him.
What did you...
I'm really tired. Why don't you come lie down next to me? Come on, Oliver. Let's relax a little bit.
I thought you were talking to that guy. Diana, it's not what it looks like. Shit. Shit. She's gonna kill me.
So what's going on with you, Auntie? Why you ignoring me? What, me ain't not good again after what I said? Come on, man. You know for Ted not know what I'm so serious, Diana. I was just playing around.
Shauna, listen to me. I'm not in the mood for you and your games, alright? At the end of the day, you are a child and I'm an adult. Just stop the foolishness, okay?
I know me you're vexed with. Oh, I know why you're vexed. The day is coming closer. Oh, yes, I forget to say I get married soon, huh? Why are you getting vexed with me for? You're the one making that decision.
What me said to you, little girl?
Lower your voice, alright? I don't want Oliver to hear all the drama.
Shauna, I am not in the mood.
You know, you get on my nerves. Me, I got my yard. Can't take all of this drama from you. I mean, you're the one making a mistake. Don't get vexed with me.
Diana, are you okay? I'm sorry, Diana. Nothing happened, I swear.
No, Oliver, I don't know what to do with Shauna. I just been in a kind of, depressed mood. I'm just a little bit emotional, that's it. Nothing to do with...
Oh, I understand. Wait, are you on your, do you want me to go get you some chocolates? That's what Antavia always wants. Well, I can...
No, man, Oliver. It's fine. I'm alright, okay. I just I go relax a little bit in my room. I'm just really tired, from work and everything. I'm gonna be fine, trust me.
Well, I'm still gonna make something for you. Shauna, wait. I was worried I wouldn't catch up to you. I didn't want you to walk home alone. Why did you leave so early? You were supposed to help me with art. Did you forget?
Sorry, I get kind of late. And I had to go. I don't want my father, make that nice.
Well, I'm still gonna walk you home. I don't want anything to happen to you. Well, you're here now. I gotta go.
Why? Come on, straight inside, man.
What about your dad?
Oh, he must sleep. Don't worry, man. My parents are knocked out right now. Them sleep like a rock. Just come, man. I want to show you my room.
Sean, I don't think this is a good idea.
Come on, it's alright. Just come sit down and we talk. We can't talk. What's wrong if we talk? We're not friends.
I thought you were talking to, what's his name, O'Shane?
Come on. We're not doing nothing wrong. Just relax. Okay? We're just friends, remember? That's all.